One-story gorgeous Sago model home that features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, plus a bonus room. Built in 2018 by Meritage Homes. It is an Energy Star certified homes. The layout has high ceiling through the home, tray ceiling at foyer and in master suite. All bathrooms have granite countertops. The master bath features a semi-frameless shower, 2 walk-in closets. It has a huge gourmet kitchen with a large island that has granite countertops, an elegant vent hood, and S-tile backsplashes. The appliances are stainless steel, with maple Scottsdale espresso cabinets with hardware. It has built-in oven, with beautiful pendant lights and an open concept. There is crown molding, looks fantastic. Only the bedroom's floors are carpet, the rest of the house is tile. The extended lanai has high ceiling. In the garage is a soft water system. The home has Vivinit security system.